morning all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update, and this is for Tuesday the 20th of August 2019. You know, we get these comments you get on a weekend like from Larry Kudlow and Robert Navarro, one of our negotiators for the U.S. with China, and it sets the market off on one tone. Then you think about it overnight and you get another tone that sets in, and that's pretty much what's been going on. Keep in the back of your mind, we're in the dog days of summer. This is August 20th. People are still out on vacation, just getting kids ready to go back to school. Not an awful lot going on in the markets, both here and in Europe. In fact, in all of wherever there's sun right now, that seems to be what's going on. In the grain markets, you had a little bit of deterioration in the crop as we saw last night. The excellent categories fell, so it's giving a bid into the grains. Even the cotton saw a little bit of deterioration. But I keep watching the bonds and notes, and they go down one day and then they come right back at you with lower yields. The U.S. government is again floating the idea of 50 and 100-year bonds, and I applaud them. It's a smart move. Why is it a smart move? Well, number one, what it does is if you can lock in interest rates of 1 or 2% in theory, going out 50 or 100 years, you can do an awful lot of planning with that. But what about raising enough money to get rid of higher debt levels that you're paying off? That would be interesting too. So different parts of the economy studying it. We're not the first to do that. And remember, right now, I think it's, I don't know if it's Norway or Denmark, someone is actually on mortgages, negative interest rates. You go in and it's either zero or a slight negative. You could actually be paid to buy a property. You're not going to be paying the interest. You're going to pay principal, but the interest, no, you might even get a break on it. You're helping the buyer, I guess, or the builder out of it. Another thing to look at, guide to technical indicators. Remember, we have volumes 1 and 2 up. We've got a new look to our website. You might want to go there and see the different offerings that we have. But you'll find these very, very fascinating, great little booklets explaining the different ways to look at the markets. A great primer, all in color for you. You print it out. So we'll send it to you as PDFs, and away you go. It's something for your library, and you can decide to either read it online or work with it. But a whole spectrum being offered here. How do you get this? Well, it's simple. It's free. Simply go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. You can call my staff at this number. When you get to the website, you'll see the new look. You can either look at videos or you can go right in, Ira's free offers. Choose the different ones. It'll keep a list of what you've chosen, and away you go from there. Trying to work with you, help you with new ideas. Remember, you can always click up here if you're watching me on YouTube. It'll take you to our homepage. I'm Ira Epstein. Have a good day. See you this afternoon.